Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Genesis. If you're new to my channel, then welcome to the beauty family. And if you're already part of the family, then welcome back, girl. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a Valentine's Day look. This is the eye look that I came up with. Sexy, you know, like, kind of like, you know, like you're ready to go, if you know what I mean. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, this is the eye look that I came up with. If you want to see how you can achieve this look, it's super easy, super simple, nothing too complicated, then definitely keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this tutorial, you guys. For today's eye look, I'm going to be using two palettes. I'm going to be using this Suva Beauty Protige palette. This one I got in my BoxyCharm. And then I also am going to be using the Jaclyn Hill. Don't mind her, she's a little dusty. But I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette in collaboration with Morphe. So we're going to go ahead and get started. This look is super easy, super simple, nothing too difficult. I already primed my eyes. I used a Tarte concealer to prime my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the shadow. I'm going to be taking this shade here. This is in the shade Poetic. Gonna go ahead and grab that color and put it into my upper crease. I'm just using wiping motions, going back and forth and just intensifying the color as I go. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this color Aesthetic and I'm gonna go ahead and put that into my crease using a little brush like this. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that into the crease. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go into my Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm only going to be using one color from this palette, which is the black here. And I'm going to use kind of like a flat brush. I'm going to go ahead and grab that black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and put this into the crease as well, but not bring it up so high. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and kind of like place the color, like kind of like stabbing motions in a way. So place the color where I want it. Which is more towards the crease. You don't want to bring it too high up or else it's gonna overpower that kind of purple color. So you just want to keep it here. Kind of like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and put on my lid color. I'm going to be using this shade here, and this is in the shade Structure. And what I'm going to do is I'm simply just going to use my finger for that. So I'm going to grab it. As you can see, it's pretty intense. Tap off the excess. And literally just place this onto my lid. Do you guys see how pigmented that is? So there is that, you guys. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and put more of that black color just to kind of intense it more. And then I'm going to go in back with that like purple burgundy color just to blend everything out. So let's grab my black. I'm going to apply a little bit here on the outer corner of the eye. And I'm stabbing it here. And I'm going to go in with that aesthetic color just to blend out the edges here. What are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? I personally don't think we have any plans as of yet. I've really been wanting Olive Gardens, but I've seen me on an Olive Garden. And now I'm going to go back with that lilac color Poetic onto my upper crease. So let's go ahead and do that right here. Okay guys, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. I'm going to be using these Foxy Babe lashes. So these lashes are super dramatic. They are so bomb. They are in the style Vutonia. So this eye look is definitely like a dramatic like Valentine's Day eye look, I feel like. If you're going to go to the club, or if you're going to go on like a romantic date. But I'm going to go ahead and pop on my eyelash. I'm going to let the glue get tacky, and meanwhile I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my lashes. So yeah, let me know down below, what are your plans for Valentine's Day? Or do you have a Valentine's Day, or are you just gonna celebrate it with your friends or with your family? I would love to know, because you know me, I'm a chismosa. So I would love to know what you got going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this lash here. So there is with the eyelash right there. Do you guys see how it adds like some drama? Like bam. This one's like wee, and this one's like bam. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other lash now, so they can both be ready for some trouble. I'm just kidding. So now I'm gonna go ahead and work on my bottom lash line while that glue dries. For my waterline, I'm gonna be using this brow pencil. It's in a brown shade. I can't seem to find any of my black liner, so I have to work with what I got. I'm gonna be using this brown brow pencil and place this into the waterline, which doesn't really do much, but it's okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab that aesthetic color and just kind of blend that into my lower lash line. You know, to darken this baby up. You can go as low as you want, just depending on how you like your waterline to be. I know some people really like to bring it super low. So there's the bottom line. I'm going to go ahead and add some black to it, just to kind of intensify it a little bit more. So it could look a little bit more smoky. I'm going to put it as close as I can to my lash line. I usually do my eyeshadow before my foundation, but for the purpose of the video, I don't want to keep you guys here too long. I decided to just do the eye tutorial. Let me know in the comment section, please let me know if you prefer just like the eye tutorials, if you prefer to see everything. That would really help me out. That way I know if just to film the eyes or if I should film everything. Please let me know down below. Comment like eyeshadow or like full face, so I know which ones you guys prefer, because I don't want to be having you guys here for like 30 minutes for me to do like my whole makeup when you guys can just watch like super fast just my eyes, you know. So please let me know down below. Now I'm going to go ahead and put bottom mascara. I'm going to be using this Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. This is by the brand Hourglass. I'm just going to go ahead and pop that onto my lower lashes here. Now all I'm going to do is just going to go ahead and pop some inner corner highlight, because you know, I can't live without that inner corner highlight. I'm going to go ahead and spray my brush and go into the same color that I used for my lid, which is the shade Structure. I'm going to go ahead and pop that in my inner corner. Just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and go into this color here, which is in the shade Tack, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that just above my eyebrow, just to kind of tie everything together here. And that is that, you guys. That is pretty much the eye look right there, you guys. What do you guys think? Let me know down below if you guys are digging it. Again, if you want to intensify the colors to be more intense, then obviously you would pack on more color. If you want something more subtle, then don't use as much color. If you say, Genesis, I don't like those eyeshadows, like those colors, like what are you thinking? What you can do is you can do the same process, just obviously use different colors if you want like a different eyeshadow color, and then just do the same steps and you should be able to achieve the same eye look, kind of like a halo effect. This is pretty much it, you guys. Let me know you guys are ready to go to your sexy dinner with your man, you know, drink a little bit of wine. Oh wait, I forgot my lipstick. Skirt. Hold on, you guys. Okay, so for my lip, I'm going to be using this Essence lipstick. This one is in the shade Cool Nude. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. lip gloss. It's a lip pumping lip gloss, and this one is in the shade Champagne Glam. Just gotta. Now girl, now you're ready to go to your sexy dinner with your man. para darle muchos besos, pero de lejitos, so he won't mess up your lipstick. But yeah, this is pretty much the finished eye look here. What do you guys think? I think this is a pretty cool Valentine's, like kind of like more like of an intense Valentine's Day look. So this is pretty much the finished look, you guys, as you guys see here. Let me know if you guys like it, if you guys are digging it. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment down below anything you would like, any suggestions, any concerns, any requests. And again, let me know if you guys prefer just to see like eyeshadow tutorials or the full face. Let me know so I know what to film for y'all. Also, if you're new or if you're not new but you watch my videos but you're not subscribed, then what are you doing, girl? Go ahead and click that red button down below to join the beauty family. And I'll go ahead and catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.